Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanya today. In this video, I wanted to share you how to create a Google form and what is the purpose of a Google form. Now let us just go to the application. So once if you are opening your mail and all that, so just click on this forms option. Okay. So now here you can see the Google Docs and all that. Now see here, let me just zoom my screen. Here you can see this start a new form. Just click on the start a new form. Now here you have to give untitled form. So now whatever the title which you wanted to mention, you have to give a title for that. But before that, here you wanted to save your file. So the thing which you can see over here, right? So that is basically it is used for saving the object or saving your file. Okay. Now see here, I'm writing here Tanya today. Okay. So now this was the name which I have mentioned. Now whatever you have written that is appeared over here. But if you wanted to write more, you can add here also. Tanya today subscribers. Okay, 7,600. This is just a title. Okay, so this is my title. If you wanted to change to something, you can change it. Or else, if you are having any elections in your school and if you wanted to write that, you can write that, whatever you want. This is the title, whatever you want, you can write it. Tanya to get survey and write it. Okay, so now the thing is, if you wanted to write any description, you can write over here. This is just a survey to know your opinions on our channel. Okay, so whatever, if you wanted to add more, you can add more. Now, if you wanted to change this font and all that, here just select the text, click on bold, so it will become bold. If you want italic, it will change italic. If you want underline, you'll get an underline. Now I'm clicking on bold and I don't need underline, so I'm canceling it. And it's all about points, or else if you want it in a dot format, something like that. Okay, so I think everyone can see this, right? Now the first question is untitled question. So here I'm writing it as name. Okay. Now this name should be a short answer kind of thing. So on your right side here you can see multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, drop down, checkbox, something like that. So I'm just giving short answer. Now see here, if you don't enable this required, then it's not really mandatory to enter your name. So that is the reason I am entering it as required. So that means it is like a star symbol. Have you ever observed whenever you were applying for any kind of applications or anything, like staff selection commission or Agnivate notification, that may be group D notification, whatever it may be, the thing is they will mention always star symbols. The star symbols is basically its purpose is like it is very important and you cannot skip that. Okay. So now this is required. Now if you want to add one more, click on age. Whatever you wanted to write, you can write it. Okay. I'm again choosing as short answer. Okay. So now if you want to make this required, you can click on this required option. Now just see here, customize theme preview option is there, right? So if you wanted to click on this, you can see here. Okay. So this is how the preview will be looking like. I hope everyone understood. Okay. So write your name and your age also. This is the preview of the survey form. Now if you wanted to add few more, are you a subscriber? So if you enable spell checker, it will come automatically. But right now I didn't enable subscriber. Okay. Are you a subscriber? It is asking. So multiple choice questions I'm giving. So multiple choice means we have to give here options. Okay. So click on multiple choice. Now option 1, yes. Option 2, no. Okay. So now this also I'm keeping it as required. Now the last one, I don't need this last one, so I'm clicking on the cross. Now one more thing is, Now, if you wanted to add any kind of themes or anything, just go to the customize theme and select here. Okay. If you wanted to choose an image, you can choose image also. If that is regarding work, if that is regarding any chemistry, if that is regarding any documentation, something like that. See, now we got an image which was added on your survey form. Yes, initially there was no theme, right? So this was the background theme. Right now we have enabled this. Okay, now moving forward, I hope everyone understood till here. Now, are you a subscriber for this? Yes. Oh my God, we did a mistake. So now just disable this, delete this, okay, and keep short answer. Because for age, we don't need to choose the correct answer, right? Now for A, are you a subscriber for this? We need now. Here you write no. Okay, now done. Now then remove the third one. Now make it as required. Now next question, whatever you want to add, you can add. What kind of content you want from us? Okay, so again keeping a multiple choice, or else you can select drop down also. Okay, so whenever it is drop down, you can select options, like what kind of options you want. Okay, I'm just clicking on this. So option one, career guidance, and now option two is TTWREIS/TSRJC, all Gurukula updates, employment news. So now after employment news, I wanted to select one more, that is Polyset, CP Gate. Okay, these options are enough. Let's not go to seven. Let's not go to the seventh one. So I'm just deleting this. It's enough. Okay. So now let us make it required. So now see, this is how we made required. Now if you go to the preview, it will come. Okay. This is a basic part of how we will create an Google form. Now if you want to send, click on send option. You will get link. Okay. If you wanted to make this link, copy the link and reduce its size. Short URL means you will get a very short URL. Initially, it will be very lengthy. Now, if you click on shorten URL, you'll get a very short URL. Just copy this and you can select it.